Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can convert your website to different language using Microsoft Azure API for translation. Okay, so in our last video we have seen how we can convert the website using the resource files, but this way is not beneficial when you are working with the bigger projects and also when your data is coming dynamically. So in such scenarios, we can use Azure Translator API for dynamic conversion. Okay, so we will just see how you can do that, and we will just see how it is working currently. So I will first show you now, like how it is currently working. So we will run the project, and then I will show you few things that you will require to change for this. Okay, so I have this drop down here guys, and then this few text, and if we notice the text like on this page, I have added this data translate attribute here. So wherever I have added the data translate, I will try to convert this dynamically using the Azure API. Okay, so now we will go back. So once I select Spanish, it will take all these elements. Okay, and you can see that now the data is converted into Spanish. Everything is converted. So now we will change back to English, and we will add a breakpoint in the API so you can know like what code is getting fired. Okay, so using the Ajax, we are collecting all the text from the UI and then sending that in the array here, and then we are setting the target language, and then we are passing that to the Azure API. So for Azure Translator API, you will need the subscription key and subscription reason. If you don't know how you will get this, then you can comment on the video and we will let you know from where you can get those. But I can show you the translator endpoint here. So this is the API URL that we have to hit, and then the subscription key and the reason is required. Okay. So here we are passing the language and the text that we want to convert. So you can send multiple text at once and get the response similarly. Okay. So from the API we will get all the translations here. So if we see this, so here you can see it has returned back all the words that it has translated. Okay, and then we are extracting those words and returning back in the array format, and then on the view side we are replacing the elements text here using a loop. Okay, so that's why it is modifying the data. So it is only modifying where I have added the data translate attribute. So if you have like more elements, then you can add more data translate attribute and it will work fine. And regarding the code part, so for getting the code guys, what you can do is you can go to our official website. We will provide you a direct link also for the code, and here you will notice the blog translating website data using Azure Translator API. So in this I have mentioned all the steps that you have to perform and the code that you will need. So you can use it and let us know if it is working for you. You can also download the code from here and let us know the feedback. Okay, so thank you guys.